Hello students, welcome to the classes. Today's subject it is social studies, geography for class 6th and the topic the continuity of the earth in the solar system. In the last class we have already read about few things which were included in the solar system, and especially we learned in detail about the star, the sun, the galaxy also, and the universe, how they were made up and what are they made up of. So today a second content of this solar system, the very important content of this solar system, that the planets we are going to read about. Along with this, few more points we will, or few more celestial bodies we will read. So let's start with the planets here. So the earth in the solar system, we saw the sun, it is a huge ball of fire made up of gases. So in the same way, planet. What is a planet? And already I explained that the solar system, it consists of 8 planets, and I introduced the names also. Here also you can see the same picture what in the last period I explained you. In the last video I explained you the sun in the center and the 8 planets. Along with that, what are its satellites and what are its orbit, what are the other contents of the solar system, we will read. Before that, let us start with the planet. So the planet, from where do we derive the name from? So we derive it from the word it is the Greek word. It is the Greek word which is planetae. Which is planetae. So which means the wanderers. Wanderers. So wanderers, as you know what they are. Wanderers यानी घुमक्कड़ जो घूमते रहते हैं. So the planet, the word, it is extracted from the Greek word that is the planetae. Planetae, which means in English they are wanderers. They are wanderers, घुमक्कड़. So इसके आधार पर इसका नाम पड़ा planet. So घुमक्कड़, you can see all these 8 planets, they are having their own orbit. They are having their own orbit, and what they do, they move around the sun, and because of the energy present in the sun, they pull the planets. They keep it, the sun keep it in its control. So because unseen energy, it is there, it is controlling the planets. So what the planets they are doing, they are not stagnant at a single place. वो एक ही जगह पे रुके हुए नहीं है. What they do, they move in whatever direction. So they are having their own speed and their own orbit. So in the same orbit they revolve, they move. So the movement of this, because of the movement of these planets, what they are called as? They are called as wanderers in Greek language. So let us now move towards the meaning, the exact meaning. So planets, they are a large round objects. They are the large round object in the space they are in the space that move around the sun or the star of their own. In the solar system, these 8 planets move around the sun, but if any other systems are there, they revolve around their own stars. So these planets, they are the heavenly bodies. They are the large round objects in the space which move around the sun. So I have already explained. So these are the large round object. बड़े से गोल आकार के ऑब्जेक्ट्स है जो स्पेस में है एंड दे मूव अराउंड द सन. सन के इर्द गिर्द घूमते रहते हैं, इसीलिए इनको घुमक्कड़ बोला गया है. सो नेक्स्ट, दे आर हैविंग देयर ओन फिक्स्ड पाथ. उनका अपना एक पाथ है, उनका अपना एक रूट है, उसी दरमियान वो घूमते हैं, उसके अलावा इधर उधर वो नहीं होते हैं. सो हियर दे आर हैविंग देयर ओन फिक्स्ड पाथ. एंड द थर्ड पॉइंट, सन, जैसे कि सन के पास खुद की लाइट है, खुद का हीट है, उसी वे में यहाँ पे प्लैनेट्स दे डोंट हैव, इन वॉइस वर्सा आई एम सेइंग, दे डोंट हैव द लाइट और हीट ऑफ देयर ओन. लास्ट वीडियो में भी मैंने बताया था, अभी भी वही बता रही हूँ कि प्लैनेट्स दे डू नॉट हैव देयर ओन लाइट एंड हीट. सो दिस इज द थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द प्लैनेट्स. So these are the main three characteristics and they are 8 in number. In solar family they are 8 in number. So a large round object in the space that move around the sun and they are having their own orbit, the fixed path, and the third, they do not have their own light or heat. They do not have the light or heat of their own. So this is the third character. These three characters what the planet has. So next, let us read about these 8 planets one by one. So to remember these 8 planets, we have made a sentence using the first alphabet of each and every planet. So Mercury comes first, Venus second, Earth third, Mars fourth, Jupiter fifth, Saturn sixth, Uranus seventh and Neptune eighth. So in the same way, according to their order, we placed these first alphabet of every planet and we have made a sentence. So that is, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. अगर इस सेंटेंस को आप याद कर लोगे तो उनका ऑर्डर और उन प्लैनेट्स के नेम्स याद हो जाएंगे. जैसे जैसे फर्स्ट अल्फाबेट आप इसको बोलते बोलते लिखते जाओगे तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट, M it stands for Mercury, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, N for Neptune, last but not least. So in this way we can remember. It will be very easy for you to remember the names of the planets. So this is the order in which they are placed in the solar system. So now let us read about these planets one by one. एक दो characteristics मैं यहाँ पे आपको बताते जाऊंगी एक एक planet का. So first let us read about the Mercury. तो इसके प्लेसमेंट के आधार पर, अकॉर्डिंग टू इट्स प्लेसमेंट, इट इज द क्लोजेस्ट planet to the sun. So this I can say the first feature. It is the closest planet to the sun. This is the first feature. And second, it takes 88 days. It takes 88 days to complete a orbit. To complete one orbit, जैसे अपना अर्थ जो है वो 365 डेज लेता है एक ऑर्बिट कंप्लीट करने में, सन के इर्द गिर्द एक राउंड, एक चक्कर काटने में जैसे 365 डेज लेता है, ये बहुत नियरेस्ट है, क्लोजेस्ट है, तो इट टेक्स 88 डेज टू कंप्लीट वन ऑर्बिट अराउंड द सन. सो दीज आर द टू कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. सो फर्स्ट मर्क्यूरी इज द क्लोजेस्ट प्लैनेट टू द सन and it takes 88 days to complete one orbit. Now we will read about the second planet. Venus, which is also called as twin of the earth because of the similarity. Venus और earth में similarity होने के कारण से इसको twin बोला जाता है, जैसे जुड़वा. So इसको जुड़वा planet भी बोला जाता है. It is second nearest planet to the sun. Planet to the sun, and second, it is very brightest. Very brightest. Even without telescope also हम स्काई में इसको देख सकते हैं रात को. जैसे मूविंग स्टार के रूप में टाइमिंग है जस्ट आफ्टर 7:38. ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम ड्यूरेशन वी कैन सी दिस प्लैनेट विथ आवर नेकेड आइज. हमको किसी टेलीस्कोप की जरूरत नहीं है, एक मूविंग स्टार के रूप में ये दिखता है. सो वी कैन सी इट. Only a single planet which we can see from the earth, that is the Venus. So it is the second nearest planet, nearest to the earth also, and it is very bright. Brightest star ये है, keep it in your mind. So it is closest, it is brightest. So now third, it is अर्थ. तो अर्थ के बारे में हम बाद में थोड़ा डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. दो पॉइंट्स जो है उसके बारे, वो दूसरे प्लैनेट्स को हम पहले पढ़ लेते हैं. अर्थ वी विल डू इट लेटर ऑन. सो आफ्टर अर्थ कम्स मार्स. मार्स, इट इज द फोर्थ प्लैनेट. ये फोर्थ पोजीशन पे है. मर्क्यूरी फर्स्ट, वीनस सेकेंड, अर्थ थर्ड एंड दिस मार्स. इट इज एट फोर्थ पोजीशन, फोर्थ प्लेस पे है, फोर्थ प्लैनेट ऑफ द सोलर सिस्टम. सो इट इज फोर्थ प्लैनेट. एंड व्हेन वी ऑब्जर्व so from the universe with the help of telescope, it looks red in color. It looks red in color, and this red, it is because of the oxide. Because of the oxide present in the iron oxide present in the soil or the outer layer of the Mars. So जो मार्स के आउटर लेयर में है वहां पे आयरन ऑक्साइड अधिक मात्रा में पाया जाता है. तो जैसे कि आयरन रस्ट खाता है, जंग लगता है उसके ऊपर, तो वो रेड रेड दिखता है, एक ऑरेंजिश कलर दिखता है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली दिस प्लैनेट व्हेन ऑब्जर्व विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेलीस्कोप इन द स्पेस, इट लुक्स रेड इन color. So it is fourth planet and it is red in color. Next, Saturn. Beautiful planet of the solar system. और ये मार्स के आफ्टर मार्स जुपिटर, सॉरी Jupiter, which is the largest planet of the solar system. So it is largest planet. So first planet Mercury, it is closest. Second brightest. Third we read about the Earth, blue planet. Fourth red planet. Fifth, Jupiter. It is the largest planet of the solar system and it is having a faint ring system. जैसे कि सैटर्न के तो रिंग्स हमको दिखते हैं, लेकिन जुपिटर के रिंग सिस्टम है बट इनविजिबल है, फेंट है, हल्के से धुंधले धुंधले रिंग सिस्टम्स यहाँ पे इस जुपिटर के बने हुए होते हैं. जैसे कि सैटर्न के आप देख सकते हो, दिस इज द प्लैनेट सैटर्न. सो इट हैज the ring system in this way which makes Saturn look very beautiful. Jupiter के भी है लेकिन बहुत हल्के हैं, which are invisible, which we cannot see, but it has the rings around it. So that point also we will add in this, the characteristic of Jupiter. It has faint rings around it. It has faint rings around it. So this comes the Jupiter. After Jupiter comes Saturn. Saturn, it is the sixth planet. It is placed at the sixth position and the ring system, a very impressive feature of this planet. So इसके हम, जैसे कि मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया, बहुत सुंदर ऐसे रिंग सिस्टम इसके दिखता है. जब टेलीस्कोप से हम देखते हैं तो एक रिंग पूरा इसके इर्द गिर्द एक बेल्ट बना हुआ है, एक थिन लेयर ऑफ एस्ट्रॉइड्स इज देयर around the Saturn that makes a ring around the Saturn. So it has a impressive feature, that is its ring, which is a thin belt of asteroids. Asteroids, dust and gases, which is of 1 mile. 1 mile का बेल्ट यहाँ पे इसके इर्द गिर्द राउंड में बना हुआ है. So after Saturn, so this is concluded. I think it is sixth. It is having an impressive feature, that is its ring. और ये ring किससे बना हुआ है? Asteroid, dust and different gases. Along with that, what is the length of that belt? It is 1 mile. Next comes Uranus and Neptune. These are 2 outer planets, 4 outer planets, 4 are inner planets and 4 outer planets. So now we will read about the Uranus. So Uranus, it is the 7th planet. It is the 7th planet. Along with this, it is 4 times the size of Earth. Yani 4 times larger than Earth. The second feature, it is 4 times of the Earth. जैसे कि अर्थ अगर एक बॉल है तो जो यूरेनस है वो 4 बॉल्स का रूप यहाँ पे लेता है, उतना बड़ा है. नेक्स्ट, नेपच्यून, the last planet of the solar system, and it is the farthest planet. It is the farthest planet and it also has the faint ring. इसके भी धुंधले रिंग यहाँ पे इसके इर्द गिर्द बने हुए हैं. And along with that, it takes 165 Earth's year to complete one orbit. जैसे कि अर्थ को यहाँ पे 365 डेज लगते हैं एक राउंड को कंप्लीट करने में, वन ऑर्बिट को कंप्लीट करने में। इन द सेम वे यहाँ पे इस नेपच्यून को कितने लगते हैं? 165 अर्थ ईयर, यानी 365 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, ठीक है। 165 तो डेज आपको मिल जाएंगे। सो 365 अगर यहाँ पे एक अर्थ का ईयर है तो यहाँ पे 165 अर्थ के ईयर यहाँ पे ये लेता है। सो इट टेक्स 165 अर्थ ईयर टू कंप्लीट वन ऑर्बिट, बिकॉज ये इतना दूर है तो इसका ऑर्बिट भी खूब बड़ा होगा। सो नाउ let us read about our home planet, that is the Earth, which is also called as blue planet. Why? Because from the space when we see the Earth, it looks blue in color. And why does it looks blue in color? Because the presence of the water. So because of the presence of water, this Earth, it looks blue in color. So what makes the Earth a unique planet of the solar system, a different planet of the solar system? वो सब आपको पता ही है। सबसे पहले पोजीशन के बारे में हम पढ़ते हैं, तो it is at third, when the order we see, it is at third position place or third planet of the solar system, and second it is fifth largest, सबसे बड़ा जो है वो जुपिटर है और ये फिफ्थ प्लेस पे आता है। थर्ड, नाउ वी विल रीड अबाउट द यूनिक फीचर्स ऑफ आवर प्लैनेट, दैट इज द अर्थ। जैसे ऑलरेडी मैंने 6th क्लास में एक बार बताया था, सॉरी यू आर नाउ इन 6th क्लास, इट इज नॉट कंप्लीटली राउंड इन शेप। जैसे आपने ऑरेंज देखा होगा, ऊपर और नीचे जैसे दबा हुआ होता है, फ्लैटेंड एट द पोल्स। सो इन द सेम वे योर अर्थ, it is slightly flattened at poles। जैसे नॉर्थ और साउथ एक राउंड, एग्जैक्ट राउंड बोल सकते हैं हम, एक राउंड शेप बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन अर्थ का ऐसा नहीं होके ऐसे है। It is quite flattened at the poles। नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल में कुछ flattened एरिया हमको दिखता है। It is not complete round, so it is flattened in north and south pole। And the fourth point, the unique features of the only planet of the solar system, that is it has the favorable conditions, the favorable conditions which helps to which helps or which supports the life here। Which supports life। अब एक ह्यूमन बीइंग के लिए, लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स के लिए क्या चाहिए? सबसे पहले एयर which is present in the form of atmosphere, and main thing the water। So this hydrosphere also we see, so water also is available on the planet Earth। So these two things makes the planet a unique planet in the solar system, only a single planet where life exists because of the conditions which can here support the life, which supports the life. Because of this favorable condition, this Earth becomes an unique planet of the solar system. And fifth, it takes 365 days to complete one orbit. So it takes 365 days to complete one orbit. आपको पता है 1/4 जो हर 4th ईयर में लीप ईयर होता है और वो 366 हो जाता है. 1/4 1/4 1/4 1/4 4 times 1 added 1 day. 1/4 means 8 hours. So because of this, once in 4 years we enjoy the leap year, that is the 366 days. So this is how the Earth, it is made an unique planet in the solar system. So today we learnt about all the 8 planets along with our home planet, the blue planet, which is also called as blue planet. When we see from the space, it looks blue and very beautiful. So these features make the Earth very special planet. So I think you all enjoyed this 8 planets. Further, the satellites, the asteroids, meteoroids, this we will see in the next video of next class. So please copy down the notes wherever you feel doubt. I am very thankful that you personally contacted me and you clarified your doubts. Thank you and have a fabulous day. Welcome.